And welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to see your Rednote ID. The first thing is open up your Rednote app, and then next thing you're going to do is click on the profile picture at the bottom, and then you click on profile, and right there after your name you have Rednote ID, and this is your Rednote ID. It is as simple as that. But before then, let's see if we can change our ID. So click on it and you can actually change your ID. You can actually change your ID. It can be between 6 to 15 characters, including letters, numbers, and underlines. So you can change your ID also. It's as simple as that. Change or edit it. So once you have done editing it, just click on save at the top here. So let's edit it a bit. Let me put just numbers I want to use. Kitty Galore, for example. Kitty Galore 234, and then click on save. It's as simple as that, and it has not taken effect yet. The changing hasn't taken effect yet. Let's try again. It's still stubborn. So this has passed the number of letters, so let's just click on save. Okay, for a particular reason it's not changing. It's writing something in Chinese I don't really understand, so that's why you definitely need a translator when you're using this app. So my advice, get a translator too, and a translator app. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to see your Rednote ID. Thanks for watching.